LifePaths is a very personal project for me because my own struggle to find my way in the world and like, what am I doing here and what's my gift to the world has been so inextricably linked to my journey with teaching movement as a practice. And the big leaps that I've had in terms of what I'm doing in the world have come right off the dance floor or out of my movement practice. And so it's incredibly meaningful for me to create this journey for you that puts all the movement practice that ZeroOne is capable of, like it's the whole mapping, it's the whole spectrum of what ZeroOne is capable of, and to put all that in service to the question of what are you doing in the world? And I think it serves very well because movement practice in that kind of way that ZeroOne is, it awakens the soul, and the power of the soul is about manifesting and is about being a light in the world. And so that all of our work going through the freeing of the body and the opening of the heart and the unknowing of the mind, and then the power of the soul to manifest and be something. Like, what are you here to do? What is your passion in the world? Do you know? Do you have even a sense of it? And whether you've really got your work already happening or whether you're totally floundering and lost, the movement practice that is ZeroOne can be aimed and tailored to specifically to deepen and strengthen and clarify what your path is in life and what you're doing here. And whether that's to bring up children or to start a business or to teach movement, whatever it is, the movement practice that we will engage in through the 9-month program of LifePaths will be specifically aimed at helping you to find that more clearly.